Welcome to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we will be making something different. This is a cold udon noodle. It's a cold Japanese noodle with a half-boiled egg on the top, and the flavor is very subtle. It's very refreshing. It's made from sesame oil, so it has that sesame flavor that's coming through, and then it's very light in terms of taste. So it gives you this refreshing feel, perfect for those hot days. Okay, and it's quick and easy to make also. So let's go ahead and see how it's done. Okay, welcome back. Here we have this dish, the cold udon for hot summer days where you want to relax and refresh, or you just want a quick snack in the middle of the night, or a quick snack for between meals. This will be something to consider. So let's give this a try. Let's try this egg. This egg is beautiful. Nice and soft, not overcooked, just right. Perfect. Now let's try this udon. The aroma of the sesame oil is just amazing. It's cold. It's so refreshing. It's like one of those summer days when you have ice cream or slushies. This meal makes me feel like that. The udon is nice and still has that bouncy, crunchy texture to it, but yet the flavor is balanced. So we garnish it with some of the greens to add even more beauty and taste to this refreshing dish. Wow. Have it with some spring onion. It accentuates the flavor even more. Okay. Thank you for watching again. If you like what you see today, please subscribe, hit the Amazing Kitchen button, and we're good to go. Until next time, bye now.